It's time for our 2-minute tune-up, and I'm bringing us over here to the edge of the continent to celebrate the beginning of the new 90-day cycle ahead. We're entering the West Gate. It's a time of reflection. It's a time for looking back to see what you've been up to since the beginning of the natural new year in April, back at the equinox late in March. So take a little time to reflect these next few days and then begin to turn attention toward where you would like to turn as you move inward, as the cycle begins to take us down and in this exciting time of year. It's quiet, it's self-contained, very different than where we have been over the spring and the summer. So here we are at the edge of the continent, at the beginning of a turn inward. Fall. Things are getting a little bit more subdued. And even here at the edge of the continent, we can feel that turn of the year when we look at the sky and the little puppies, the little foam puppies, that's what I want to say, little foam puppies running along the beach. This is Iona. This is the beginning of the new 90-day cycle. This is our 2-minute tune-up, and I'm so glad that you're here. Take a moment and just kind